You're doing it again, Junior. Oh my gosh, Junior. You sound like you're constipated. You sound like you're constipated. You're a constipated old man. Now finish your restroom break.
Ow. Ow.
Yeah, I don't think the people of YouTube want to hear that. Gina, we're recording you.
No, you're not.
You're just constipated. Man, you're just constipated. No, you're constipated. Okay, constipato.
Don't get on that board. When I come out there, I'm going to shoot you, that guy.
Is everything okay in there?
Yeah.
Are you sure you sound constipated? Dude. Oh my God.
No, you're not. No, he's not, because I'm out here and you're in there, and you don't know if he is. Or is he?
Where am I? People of YouTube, I'm sorry for this disruption.
It's the most funniest. I think this is the funniest video that Isaac made with me. Hey, turn it up.